Here we are again, and I am super excited to share this with you. This is a program that if you post or promote your business on any media platform, you can really benefit from this. You can create uh, thumbprints, you can create cards, you can do a lot of things through this application or website. So what you're going to do, basically, you're going to go to canva.com and register, sign uh, and become a member. All you're going to do is go to canva.com and become a member. The membership is free. And really, for what they have to for us to use with the free templates and pictures and all of that is really a lot. So I'm just I am just going to share with you a few things, and then you can go into the program and explore by yourself. Most of the reasons why I use this application, and it's been to do my thumbnails for YouTube. And that's basically what I do. But I was playing with it a few days ago, and I saw that you can make so many more things. But I'm just going to show you like quickly right here. These are items that I have done, and all of them are thumbnails, and all of them are thumbnails for my YouTube channel. But just about 2 days ago, I decided to, I did something wrong. Oh no, that's fine. I decided to do a post for Instagram. So I was able to download my images. Like, you can go over here and do upload, or you can use the photos from the system, the elements. You can do text, you can do music, you can do backgrounds, you can do a lot of things. So this green right here is the background. And this one right here is an element, and this is an element, and this is some text that I got, and I made all of these and I posted on my Instagram. So let me go back to home. You can do Instagram posts, logos, posters, flyers, cards, videos, presentations, photo collage, Instagram stories. I mean, look at everything: your story, YouTube icon, invitations, animated social media. So you can do a lot of things. And basically, once you sign up, you can go up here and create whatever you want to create. So let me just go to the YouTube, which is the one I use the most. And you come over here, and then you can go ahead and ask for let's say a background. When you go here, all of the ones that are free, they're going to say free right there. Free, free, free. So there's a lot of them that are free. There's many that are free. There's a few of them that require a membership, and they're going to have, let me look for one. Wow, all of these are free. How awesome is that? Right? So I haven't come across one that is not free. Okay, I have all the frees right here. So then they also have templates free, so that you go pick one and you can change the photo, you can change whatever you want to share right there. Okay, they have a whole bunch of them. And it's funny, they're all free right now. I don't know why. Anyways, so then we go to the elements as well. You can pick any element. When it's something that you have to update to a membership is when it has like a crown, and if you pick that one, it's going to go on your page where you're creating, but it's going to have the Canva watermark right across that, so and you're not going to be able to use it. But for right now, maybe they have a special where they have all the everything for free, because I usually I want to pick something and I can't, because it's not very many, but it's something that is not free. So here it is, you guys. I just wanted to share share this with you. Make your listings, your posts pretty, and you will have more better results with it. That's all I have to share with you guys. If you have any questions, make sure that you send me a go ahead and put it in the comments. What was your aha moment? How else do you want me to help you in all of that? Other than that, thank you so much for watching. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.